Oh, you just have to drop it. There's no more checking in. Good for you.
Alright, so I am boarding now at gate 35. It's actually my I have so much stuff. So it's actually my first time to get through the immigration here in Finland, because usually I go through the borders outside Finland, like for example. Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke, but we still got love to give while we're young, dumb, young, dumb, and broke, young, dumb, young, dumb. Oh my god! You finally arrived! Mga tulong-tubod ka pa, una sunod-sunod, no? But I don't want to wet my hair because I went to shower twice yesterday, and I'm just gonna enjoy it. It's actually 2 a.m. here in Thailand, and it's still about 9 p.m. 9:30 in Finland. So I'm still not tired. I'm just gonna go to this bath and enjoy myself for a while and yeah, enjoy my holiday. It's gonna be awesome.